Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I got another case for you by SUPCASE. This is the UB Pro. As you can see right there, it's got the Pro label on the box. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what it's about. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the UB Pro Unicorn Beetle case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Built-in screen protector, kickstand, and belt clip. All right, here's some pictures right here. Here's the belt clip right there. And the front screen protector right there. Now you get them in different colors. You get them in black, clear, golden, mauve, ruddy, or tilt. All right. Not sure if I'm pronouncing all those right, but please forgive me if I did them wrong. All right. $24.99 on Prime. You can get a 10% coupon when you click the coupon right there. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, get this ready to be put on. So nice box presentation right here, military grade protection. As you can see, not much branding on there, but it's really nice presentation there. All right, let's pull this out. All right. What do we have here? I don't know what that, I haven't seen that before. What is that? So maybe that's a kickstand or something. It might be a kickstand. This is pretty cool. So the color is kind of like a purple color, lavender color right there. Okay, so here's the case right here. You got this kind of lavender color right here. And I think this is a kickstand. Okay, so pretty cool. So that's how you unlock it. You push it all the way in there, and then you pull this slide down to unlock the case. And you can set it up as a kickstand right there. I don't think it sets up that way, but it did without the phone. We'll see how that works with the phone in it. The industrial looking back right there. You got raised area for the camera. Got rubber GPU sides there. Charging port is protected. Opening for the camera ports. I mean for the speaker grills right there. And you got some grip on the side. Volume down rocker. Cover for the mute switch as well. All right. And you got that screen protector built in. Okay. Now we're gonna. Now here's the case. The holster, 360 degree. Right there. These pretty good holsters as well. And so you put this in this way and carry the case. Now I think you can put it in the other way as well if you wanted to watch like a video or something. Yeah, you can do that as well that way too. So you can also set this up as a kickstand. No, this one don't set up as a kickstand, but you might be able to set it up with the phone in it that way. I don't know, but you can do it both ways. All right. Now let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Now, when you take this case apart, there's always a little gap in this corner right here that you put your fingernails in and you pull it apart. All right. That's how you start the process to take it apart. You just pull it from the sides and the seams right there. All right. And then you pull this out, okay? Just padding out here. All right, and we got a little plastic on the outside as well. Okay, and then this is the back, so it separates into two pieces, all right? Now, let's get the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I usually put this on first. Put the front on first. All right, and then I put the bottom in and start to sit it inside the TPU and then get the sides all the way around. Make sure that all that fits. Get all that all the way around there. See that? And then easy put on. All right. Now this looks nice. It feels good. Not too bulky either, but you got this screen protector here and everything works fine with the screen protector. No problem there. So pretty cool. All right. Camera's well protected. You see that right there. And you got your kickstand on the back. Okay, so you can watch videos if you need to. And let's see if you can set this the other way. Nope, too heavy. It won't work, right? But it's pretty cool. All right, got a nice industrial look. I like the way it looks, and it's not too bulky, and you get good 360 protection. You can get to the charging port right there. Everything lines up. You see that right there. And got a little bit of SUPCASE branding right there. And That's your volume down rocker. Your mute switch right here. You can get to that pretty easily. Right there. And it looks pretty good. Your camera's cut out right there. You can see that 3 cameras right there. And your power button works well. All right. So case works pretty good. Okay. It looks pretty good too. Feels good in the hand. Not too bulky. All right. Now we're going to check out wireless charge to see how that works. Now this case is MagSafe compatible as well, which is a great feature. All right. So this is a MagSafe charger right here by ESR. And as you can see, you put this on and it sticks to the case. All right. So MagSafe, and it's got a kickstand. That's beautiful. You see this, the phone is already charged, but it's charging 100% right there. You're picking up the charger. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on. So it picked up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's stand it up, see what happens. So I'm not getting a wireless charge standing up in the standing position right there. Now this case is a little bit funny the way it's built, so that might not be an issue, but let's see what happens when we put it this way. So I'm not getting it in all positions on this case. All right, but and sometimes it takes a second, a little bit of second or two delay, but not really working well on this case right here. But it does charge when you lay it down on this case. Now another charger might work better because, like I said, this one is not the best case for these things, but it does pick up wireless charge, real wireless charge through the case. Okay, so that was a quick look at the UB Pro case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. 360-degree protection. You got a kickstand built in as well, and a holster to carry the phone with you. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.